Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with more daily work from home job leads. Today we have the huge car retailer company Carvana. They have they have 20 work from home positions available right now. They have 2 different customer service positions. They have finance positions. They have everything. So we will not waste any time. Just know the links to all the pages that I share are in the YouTube description box below. But this main page is where you can view all of their open positions. And if you scroll down a little bit where it says city, if you just start typing anywhere, there's an anywhere USA. So these positions are for my United States folks only. But if you search for anywhere USA, this is where you're going to find your remote positions. And there are 20 open positions. Now, if you notice on this page, they have 2 different customer service positions open. One is job ID that ends in 500 and the other one is job ID that ends in 588. So they are separate positions. So if you're interested in one of the customer service positions, I would advise to double your chances of put your application in for both. But of course, going over the customer service position, this is remote eligible anywhere in the USA, so it does not look like they have any state restrictions. But they are looking for someone to have exceptional interactions with customers to provide information to response to inquiries about products, services, as well as professional management and resolution of customer complaints. So you'll communicate with the customers through email, over the phone, it says, or face-to-face, but I do not see that happening if you are in the remote position. You will have to listen to the customer needs, identify issues quickly, and act to assist and promptly solve their issue. It is just basic customer service. Now, as far as education requirements go, they only require a high school diploma or GED, but they do prefer 1 to 3 years of customer service experience. But other than that, they want someone who has an excellent can-do positive attitude, someone who is great at time management, has great organizational skills, and can multitask. Now, the other customer service position that ends with job ID 588 is the exact same, so we will not go through it again. However, Carvana also has a financial operations specialist that is open. So the financial operating specialist will make sure that customers receive prompt and efficient attention. You'll have to demonstrate friendliness and proper phone and email etiquette when you are reaching out and speaking to each customer. You'll resolve their issues in a friendly manner. So this is a position where you are doing more customer service work, but you are working through Salesforce to provide a seamless experience for all customers. So you are going to help in the actual buying process of a car. You'll have to know when to escalate customer payment issues that require next level or technical expert. Again, this one does not require any college degree, only a high school diploma or GED, and 1 year of office experience in an auction type shop is preferred but not required. You do have to know how to use the Microsoft Office products, Excel, PowerPoint, Word, all of those things. Now on to a little bit about pay. Carvana did not list the pay structure in any of their job positions, but you know me, I looked up their Glassdoor page to see if I can find anything. And when you look up customer service representative, this top one here, 77 people have worked for Carvana in the past as a customer service representative and submitted their salary as about $35,000. There are some that have reported $38,000, but I would go with the estimated $35,000 mark since 77 different people say that is what they were paid. And for the financial operations specialist, it looks like they make about $63,000 a year. I will have this Glassdoor page linked down below if you want to read any reviews or search the salaries. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.